How to Master Canva in 2026, a step-by-step guide to the creative OS. In 2026, Canva is no longer just a drag-and-drop editor, it has evolved into a full creative operating system. With the integration of Magic Studio 2026, you can now go from a single sentence to a complete brand campaign in minutes. Whether you are a complete beginner or a seasoned pro, follow this step-by-step guide to mastering the latest version of Canva. Step 1. Set up your 2026 brand kit. Before you design, you must define. In 2026, the brand kit is the brain of your Canva account, ensuring that the AI always follows your style. Navigate to Brand on the left-hand sidebar of the homepage. Select Create a Brand Kit and name it. Upload the essentials. Add your logos, select your primary and secondary color palettes, and upload your custom fonts. New for 2026, AI Brand Voice. Go to the Brand Info section and describe your brand's personality, e.g., minimalist, bold, professional. Canva's Magic Write will now automatically draft all copy using this specific tone. Step 2. Start with Magic Design, one prompt creation. In 2026, we don't start with blank pages, we start with prompts. Click Create a Design or use the search bar on the homepage. Describe your vision. Type a prompt like Instagram post for a luxury watch summer sale with a cinematic vibe, or a data-rich presentation on Q4 sustainability results. Use Magic Media for visuals. If you need a specific image, select the Magic Media app. Choose the Images or Graphics tab, type your prompt, and select a style, e.g., digital art or high-contrast photography. Generate. Canva will present multiple fully editable templates. Pick the one that fits your goal. Step 3. Animate with image to video, Magic Video. Static posts are invisible in 2026. Use the new image to video engine to create movement. Select an image in your design. Open Magic Media and head to the Videos tab. Adjust motion intensity. Use the new 2026 slider. For premium product shots, set it to 3 or 4 for a subtle cinematic drift. For high-energy ads, crank it up to 8. Add a motion prompt. Describe the movement such as slow camera zoom into the product or gentle swaying of the palm trees in the background. Click Generate Video and wait for your 8-second cinematic clip to appear. Step 4. Real-time data integration. Stop manually updating charts. Use Canva Data Sync to connect your live metrics. Click on any chart or graph in your design. Select Edit Data from the top toolbar. Connect your source. Select Google Sheets, Salesforce, or HubSpot. Sync. Now, whenever your external data updates, your Canva slides or social posts will automatically reflect the new numbers. Step 5. Export and multimodal publishing. Canva 2026 allows you to design once, publish everywhere. Use Magic Switch. Click the Magic Switch button at the top. You can instantly transform a horizontal presentation into a vertical TikTok video or a LinkedIn PDF. Review the AI overview. Before exporting, Canva will flag any potential issues, like low contrast text or AI hallucinations in your images. Publish. Direct to social. Schedule your post directly to Instagram, TikTok, or LinkedIn using the Content Planner. Offline mode. If you're traveling, utilize the 2026 offline upgrade to continue editing without a connection. Your changes will sync as soon as you're back online. Pro tip for 2026, use the layering workflow. AI-generated text and videos can still be hit or miss. For a professional look, generate your background video using Magic Media. Keep it clean, no text. Overlay static text using Canva's standard text tool. This ensures your message is crystal clear while your background remains visually stunning. Together, let's build a workplace equipped for the digital age. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and get notified on daily updates.